Much like the mythical phoenix, this ruined castle on the slopes above Vlora is waiting for resurrection. But before you can understand what's being reborn, you need to know what lived here first. And it's older than you think, 2,300 years ago. Before Rome was an empire, before the Byzantines existed as a concept, an Illyrian tribe called the Amantes built a fortified settlement right here, 380 meters up on the side of Shushichi Mountain. They chose this ridge for the same reason every power after them wanted it. Stand here and you can read the entire Bay of Vlora, the coastline north, every inland approach from the valleys below. This wasn't just a village on a hill, this was an eye over the world. And for the next 2,000 years, no one who controlled southern Albania could afford to ignore it. The Byzantines turned it into a fortified castle town in the 4th century. Justinian I rebuilt it in the 6th, part of his project to wall off the entire Balkans. The Angevins held it. The Principality of Vlora made it their seat of power. Skanderbeg's own sister married into the Kaninë noble family. Every century a new flag, but the same walls, the same commanding view. Then the Ottomans took it in 1417, and slowly Kaninë became irrelevant. When they built a new fortress down in Vlore proper in 1537, this hilltop lost its purpose. The Venetians shelled it in 1690. By the 19th century, it was abandoned entirely. Italian artillery hit it during World War I. The Vlora War of 1920 cracked what was left, and then the communist era filled the ruins with concrete bunkers and indifference. For 200 years, this fortress just decayed. But here's what most people don't know. Right now, as I'm filming this, a major restoration is underway. The Albanian Development Fund, backed by World Bank financing, is running conservation, structural, and geological work across the entire site. They're stabilizing the rock massif, restoring the perimeter walls, and this is the part that matters, building real visitor infrastructure. Interpretation, storytelling, access. This isn't a coat of paint. This is Albania betting that its pre-Roman heritage is worth showing to the world. If you think places like this deserve more attention than they get, subscribe. I'm walking every corner of this country and telling the stories that the tourist brochures skip. 23 centuries of watching the coastline, and this hill still isn't done.